Preparing for an emergency could be overwhelming, especially when you have no idea how long you may be surviving on what you packed up. When getting ready to pack up food in your bug-out bag, ensure that you consider your health, the group size, likes and dislikes, shelf life of the food, and other factors. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing the types of food items that should be in your bug-out bag. Stay tuned to this video as I list out the food items. Here we go. Dehydrated foods. Pack up food items like fruits, meat, or vegetables that have been properly dehydrated. You can prepare your own or buy some. This depends on your experience with preserving food items and if you're willing to learn. Dry pasta and noodles. These food items will go a long way, especially if you have fed on snacks for a while. You only have to worry about water and fire, and once you have those two, you can prepare your pasta or noodles in minutes and have a hot meal to enjoy. Meat pouches. There are varieties of meat in pouches that you can add to your bug-out bag. Another food item to consider is rice, which is the go-to meal that is rich and filling. You can add the meat to the rice and enjoy a delicious meal. Dried fruit, such as apricots and apples, and nuts. These food items are great snacks that could help lower your hunger level or keep you busy. They are not meant to sit in the bag for too long though, as this may affect their shelf life. Ensure that you take them out once in a while to keep them fresh. You could also include biscuits, cereals, caffeine, sugar, beans, lentils, and other food items that are not heavy. Next, freeze-dried ice cream. This food item has a shelf life of about 3 years, and the best part is, it does not need freezing after being dried. You can enjoy your favorite ice cream flavor even when you are on a bug-out. Long-term food packets. These include military rations and MREs. They cost a lot, but if you can afford them, do get some. They can come in handy. Other food items you can add to your bag include instant oatmeal, granola bars, soup mixes like dehydrated stew or veggie soup, sardines, corned beef, Spam, pork, Oreos, peanut butter, crackers, jelly and Nutella, and lots more. You may be out there for more than 72 hours, which means you will be far away from refilling your healthy meals. If you have any illness, ensure that you only pack food items that are healthy for you. You should also update the contents of your bag every 6 months to keep having fresh food. The food items I've mentioned are not the only items you should stock up on. Pack a combination of lightweight food items. This way, you can enjoy a balanced diet. I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.